And it also turns out that there are lots of microscopic organisms living inside the moss,
Oh.
which is really fascinating. They're kind of like small little forests in a way.
Hmm.
So we were able to shrink ourselves down so that we could walk in amongst all of the individual little moss stems. The first thing we would notice is we would see lots of different kinds of small animals and single-celled organisms zipping all around.
Hmm.
And some of the really common ones include things like water bears,
Tardigrade, if you will,
tardigrades.
if you're nasty.
I was going to say that too, but then I didn't. It's a whole ecosystem as far as these critters are concerned. That is the entirety of their universe.
Hmm.
So,
So what are they doing there?
like, for example, the water bears, if you haven't seen them, they're sort of famous on TikTok and the internet generally.
Because they're cute.
They're super cute. They're these chubby little things. Their bodies have 4 little segments, and each segment has a pair of chubby little legs with these little claws at the end of them.
They literally look like gummy bears.
They look like if you took 2 gummy bears, bit the head off of one, and stuck it onto the butt of the other.
A centipede.
I was hoping, yeah, as the words were coming out of my mouth, I was like, oh, maybe this is not a good. But yeah, and they use these little claws to like grab onto the moss or some algae, and then their mouth is like a little straw, like a little piercing straw that they then shoot out and puncture the cells of the moss and slurp out the contents, and then move on to the next cell and slurp out the contents.
They're not
and so
nearly
on.
as nice as I thought they were.
Right. Yeah, you
They're
know.
like the zombies.
Yeah, mostly they do this to plants.
Okay.
Some of them will do it to other animals, but mostly they're herbivores.